Welcome, today I'm showing how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into a Samsung Galaxy M33. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find security option, this one. Here scroll down one more time and find other security settings. And here, first option, we got setup SIM card lock. Go into. And if you got only one SIM card, like me, you open lock SIM card option, and now for turn off this option, you tap here on this feature, and for unlocking your SIM card, need to enter your current PIN and tap OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.